numpy.where detailed, step-by-step explanation examples. I have trouble properly understanding numpy.where despite reading the doc, this post and this other post. Can someone provide step-by-step commented examples with 1D and 2D arrays?
After fiddling around for a while, I figured things out, and I'm posting them here hoping it will help others. Intuitively, np.where is like asking tell me where in this array, entries satisfy a given condition. It can also be used to get entries in an array that satisfy the condition. When A is a 2D array, np.where returns an array of rowides and an array of collides. As in the 1D case, we can use np.where to get entries in the 2D array that satisfy the condition. Array 9. Note, when A is 1D, np.where still returns an array of rowides and an array of collides, but columns are of length 1, so latter is empty array.
Here is a little more fun. I've found that very often numpy does exactly what I wish it would do. Sometimes it's faster for me to just try things than it is to read the docs. Actually, a mixture of both is best. I think your answer is fine, and it's okay to accept it if you like. This is just extra. Gives. But. Gives.